It's lunchtime. Are you ready?
Let's go, let's go!
Hungry, it is lunchtime, and we thought where better to come than Mang Inasal. We've had how many recommendations?
There's so many of you out there who commented and said we have to go and try out Mang Inasal, so we've listened. Here we are at the infamous Mang Inasal Filipino grilled chicken, baby. We're really excited, looking forward to it. We haven't eaten all day, so we're gonna go feast ourselves, get some chicken. Let's see what Mang Inasal has to offer. Let's go, baby!
Welcome to Mang Inasal. We have come here at lunchtime to go get some lunch. We've been recommended to come here so many times, so here we are. We are here in Mang Inasal,
it's happening.
Infamous.
Let's do this, let's go.
So you guys, there is so much to choose from. There's like 50, there's halibut. Still not too sure what halibut is though. There's empanadas, there's pork like skewers, there's chicken. We're just gonna try and order behind, and we'll let you know what we've got. We are so excited, we're so hungry. Let's see.
Can we get one backless sisig solo? Can you make that part into this combo meal? Hello, drink and part?
Yes, sir, but we don't have hello for now, sir.
You don't have hello? Okay, so can we just have the part?
No, hello, they haven't got any.
What else can we try?
We'll get something else. Okay, you guys, we just made our order right there. Now we're just gonna wait right in front of the aircon, actually, right there. Because it is warm, and we have this. We are 42.
It's like you're at an auction, so place your bids. Chicken empanada, going for 5 pesos each. Put your bids in, put your bids in.
I would take that. 5 pesos for an empanada.
That'd be alright.
Bargain. But anyway, yeah, we have our number with 42. We're just gonna wait for our food, and then we will take you guys to the seat.
So you've got an open kitchen here as well, so I don't know if you guys can see it or not. That's where they do all of that chicken. So it's like the best grilled chicken we've been asked to come and try here in the Philippines. Mang Inasal. And what better way to actually see how they prepare it. So you can see it down here. There we go. All of that nice yummy chicken goodness getting prepared on that grill over there. So that's how it's done, people. So many of you have told us try it, it is the best grilled chicken in the Philippines. So I'm looking forward to it. We haven't eaten all day and we are super hungry. So yes, you can tell from the smile how excited we are. Let's do this.
We're doing like the hungry dance. It's like, I'm ready.
Gulaman.
We ordered an iced red gulaman, which is like a syrupy drink, we think. With, don't know if it's with soda or not, but we're not sure. I think it's like an iced tea.
That's all of the yummy chicken goodness getting ready, nice and fresh, coming off the grill. Main man here is preparing all of it. Yeah, you can tell just by looking at that chicken, it's nice and juicy.
Doing a show for us.
Can we sit down here? Is there any space? Probably they've got some seating upstairs. Let's, oh my gosh. It is Ramo. Wow, we can sit here. Well, if the turnout is anything to go by, we know why this is the best grilled chicken in the Philippines, because the first floor is round. There's like people. Wow, it is crazy busy. That is better priced than Jollibee. So yeah, I would definitely, probably have this over Jollibee because at least this is grilled chicken, whereas Jollibee is more like fast food. Not taking anything away from Jollibee, but whatever. Alright, see you guys in a minute.
So, did you guys know that Mang Inasal is a barbecue fast food restaurant chain and So did you guys know that Mang Inasal is a barbecue fast food restaurant chain and it is loved by Filipinos? Like, we cannot tell you the amount of people that have asked us, have you tried Mang Inasal? Yeah, have you been to Mang Inasal? Try Mang Inasal. So, here we are, we're trying it. And it was first established actually in Iloilo City in 2003. And as of June 2019, they have 500 different locations or different branches within the Philippines. I bet they have more now. I bet. We are so excited and so hungry. We've saved our tummies just for this. Boom.
I can't having all the goodness here.
You.
We've got empanadas. They're bringing the sitting.
Oh, okay. This is the Mang Inasal. You bought the goods, girl.
Super excited. So the order's incomplete right now. They haven't done the sisig yet, but the guy said take the rest of it. He's going to bring the sisig upstairs in a minute. So this is what we got at the moment. We got spicy pa. Spicy pa comes with rice.
And
Soy sauce maybe? Or maybe some chicken sauce, don't know, something snazzy. That's empanadas.
2 empanadas, a Sprite,
I'm excited for this.
an ice red goulamant.
I want to try this. It's some red syrup they said. I thought this was Coke. Oh, very sweet. I really like this.
Is it like soda or
No,
still?
no. It's like syrupy, very sweet. It's a real thirst quencher. This, like, on a hot day like this, if you're really thirsty, that's your go-to drink. Love it. Have it. That is absolutely quality.
Oh my gosh, it smells like pure syrup.
Syrupy.
It smells like pure sugar.
It's really fresh. It's not for you. I love it.
It just is, it tastes like syrup mixed with water. Like, it doesn't, do you know, like that kind of thing? I feel like it should be fizzy, it should be carbonated,
No.
but
I like it without.
do you?
Yeah, it's absolutely banging. I like it without fizz, and it's really good. Like I said, it's very light, kind of drink that you want to have on a hot day when you're really thirsty. It's a real thirst quencher. Love it. Anyway, let's dig in and try some chicken now. Let's go. All right, so the sisig just came out, and just want to show you guys exactly what we've ordered. So, empanadas, soy sauce maybe, or some chicken sauce, or some fancy Mang Inasal sauce. No idea. That's the spicy part. We're gonna try that, excited for that. But what we're really looking forward to, at least I am, is the Bangus sisig. Have you ever seen Bangus sisig before?
No, actually. We've seen it on the menu a few times, but we've never tried it, so there's a first time for everything.
Dig in.
I'm so hungry, don't know what to choose first.
And empanadas.
Empanadas, let's start.
Can I dip it here? I don't know if I'm meant to dip it in the sauce or not, but I'm still doing it.
That's
It's
what
right.
we're gonna do. The first bite is like just pastry, no? Or you
Can't really taste anything, it's baked yet.
Yeah.
Wait till the second bite. Yeah.
Okay.
This is actually really good. This is something I can like destroy when I'm having like snacks, tea time snacks or something. This is really good. I wouldn't exactly call this a full-on meal. This is more like a snack than empanadas. I like this. The chicken's very succulent. The pastry's a bit sweet. It's not too spicy whatsoever.
That's really nice.
Would you say it's like Cornish pasty back in the UK?
I would say it's like a Cornish pasty. Yum. It's got like a sweet tangy sauce on the inside. I like it.
Alright, it's time for spicy pa. It's time for spicy pa. Let's see how spicy this is. Comes with a little spicy flag. Give you a little heads up so you know what's coming. So I'm gonna try the chicken on its own first, see what it's all about. Let's go. I'm waiting for the spice to kick in. It hasn't yet. The chicken tastes good. It's not spicy. It's all covered in soy sauce.
It's like a glaze. This guy's going around with rice and it's like unlimited. So there's literally this big fat bowl of rice up here and he comes and scoops it and puts it on your plate. Like, that's sick. I love it. I love it. He's like going around putting it on everybody's plate and like if you want to top up, you holler at him and he comes around, fills it up. But someone's tucking into our rice nicely. And what would you rate the chicken?
I'm hungry. Based purely on the fact that I'm really hungry right now, I'll give it 8 out of 10. I'm gonna have to try this again, so I might go for another one just to base my ratings 100% what I think of it. Or maybe I'm gonna eat the whole thing and not share it with Libby, which is already giving me the daggers.
My turn. My turn. Maybe not. Someone's gone for round 3. Is it actually nice?
This drink is amazing, by the way. Go on, girl. Dig in. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, and it's spicy.
Oh, I couldn't taste the spice.
I can taste the spice, like...
Straight away?
Yeah.
Not me.
I wouldn't say it's really spicy. If I'm comparing it to Nando's, it's like a lemon herb kind of spice. Like it's not... you can taste it, but I don't think it's spicy. And that's coming from someone who is a bit of a wuss when it comes to spice. But this is really good. The chicken's really nice.
Yeah, it's done nicely though, isn't it?
Yummy.
Oh wow, mamma mia. So, like I said, I'll reserve my final judgment of the chicken for another 5 minutes or something. Let me eat some more, let me try some more out and see how I feel. This chicken is straight fire. This is actually good. So the spices that they use in this, I don't know what kind of spice it is, but it is definitely a slow burner. Because look at my forehead right now. Woo, I am sweaty. And it's not because it's hot in here. The place is air conditioned because the chicken was straight fire. It was really, really hot and I love it.
You guys, I even think that I actually prefer this to Jollibee. Like, this is way nicer. Hands down. Mang Inasal gets my vote.
Mang Inasal is the winner. We still have the sisig to try with the rice. Excited to try that because we've not had fish sisig before, so wow, I need to get some drink going because it is getting hot in here. Oh, loving it, really good.
Our last dish is fish sisig. Bangers means fish, so we're gonna have fish sisig. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Well, I'm looking forward to it. So it's got like fish, obviously, massive pieces of onions, comes in a little sizzling plate. It's got like different herbs and spices and things, and it smells really good. It smells like it's got a lot of taste to it. Let's see. Right in. It's instantly, there's this burst of flavors and taste in your mouth. And that's really good. You can taste tomatoes, onions, spices. Wow, this is actually really good. I like this.
Okay, let's give it a go. That's really good. Do you like that?
Yeah, I love it. What's it like?
That's really nice. That's got like a really nice, like sweet, a little bit soury, like sauce. It almost tastes like a salsa, but with fish rather than like your nachos, if that makes any sense. But oh, that's really nice. It's got like some proper herby spices in it.
And on that note, I'm actually thinking I'm gonna get another sisig, but I might also get another spicy pie because that was really good. Because we got like one at each just to try things out, see what they're like. Now we've tried it, we like it, we're gonna get another one because why not? We love this. Let's go!
So you guys, we've actually gone for round number 2 because we enjoyed it so much that we thought, why not? We're gonna go get some more. So we're going to get another spicy car and fish sitting, bangers sitting. So we're gonna go get another one because we are loving it, and why not? It's lunch. We didn't eat breakfast today, so we thought we're going to eat some more. We're hungry. It's so loud in here though, guys. This seems to be a super popular spot, like for everyone of all walks to come in. Like there are young people in here, there's older people in here, there's like teens in here. Like everyone is loving it. But also we tried to order hello hello, but we couldn't because they didn't have any. But that is fast becoming our new favourite. We are loving it. Okay, so Taz is going to go and order the food, so I will show you when it comes back.
So we were number 42 before. Now we are number 6, baby.
What's the that? This is beyond exciting. We just went back downstairs because some guy came upstairs with a tray full of 6 hello hellos, and we were like, you do have hello hello, we want some. So we went back downstairs. There was a bit of a palaver. I don't know, maybe the kitchen didn't tell like the staff that they have hello hello or whatever. Anyway, we ordered our hello hello, so now we have it coming. But in the meantime, we have our spicy card to arrive, round 2. Round 2.
We're doing spicy part round 2, baby. 1.
A few moments later.
Look what just came out. Oh my gosh, not 1, but 2. Da 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 da. Oh, that smile.
I'm excited. We haven't had hello for a whole like 1 day. So,
This is going to be the first time since we've arrived in the Philippines that we're going to have our own halo halo and we don't have to share it. This is amazing. We're absolutely loving it.
I'm gonna commit the ultimate sin.
Go on then.
I haven't mixed it.
Oh no, you're having it without mixing it. Don't. You have to mix it up. Mix it, mix it. How do you like eating your halo halo then, eh?
I like mine. Actually, I don't even have a like preferred way. I think it tastes the same. Maybe I've just committed a crime by saying that.
No, don't say that. Who does that? Who eats that halo halo without mixing it? The whole point of a halo halo is mix, mix. That's how you have it, right? This is mine. You're gonna mix it up like this. It's got like banana, mango. It's got some jelly bits there, gulaman, I guess. Some more jellies, ube. You mix it up. Everywhere we've been in the Philippines and we've had halo halo, this is by far the cheapest one. It's like 50 per person. Normally, the cheapest one that we had before this was like 100. Like this. There we go, people. We know it. You know how to do halo halo now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are so full right now.
We are.
That was a really good recommendation, guys. We really appreciate that. Thank you. Like, if it weren't for you, I don't think we would have been so excited to go and try out Mang Inasal. And now we know why you guys were so on it.
Salamat, you guys. We loved it. It was
really good.
so tasty, so yummy, and really, really, really affordable.
Oh
Like,
yeah.
we will definitely be back there, and I think it tops Jollibee.
Yeah.
gonna
As
say
far
it.
as chicken's concerned, that chicken was really, really good. So good.
It was really
Then we
nice.
went for round 2. Like literally, we went for round 2 after.
And dessert.
Yeah. After sampling it the first time, we were like, we gotta go for it again. But anyway, we're gonna end the vlog here.
We are indeed. We hope you have enjoyed it. We hope that you love Mang Inasal too. And if you have any other recommendations of what other food we should try or where else we should go, then also let us know below. We love, love, love reading your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.